Why?
Because my landlord's just there, and if he sees us, how big's the explosion?
Not big.
Go.
Held it. You can't run.
I'm not. Oh, is it gonna blow?
No, come with. We need to go get it.
Yeah, you get it.
No, come with.
Oh, I walked on water.
Dude, it's your turn to throw it now.
Oh. Come down with me.
Oh, okay. But you said you don't want our landlord to see. I can't believe that didn't work.
Remember those shockwave videos, bro?
Huh?
Remember those shockwave videos?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Don't squeeze it.
What is this?
No, that wasn't fun.
As soon as I do it, it works.
Hell, let's all try to find the ping pong ball.
No, it's gonna be blown to pieces.
There's some.
Let's go before the cop comes. Right. Did you video it?
Yeah, here's some.
They usually know.
Let's go. That was sick.